you.
I'm gonna say.
Port side. Yeah. Nice. You gotta put it in the van. Come on, we want to see it. Come up, buddy.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's a sturgeon.
Yes.
Got him.
First one in the boat. Yeah. DNR just left and Mandy's got one on.
Okay, Sean, can you move your rod?
Here. Come up to the front, you guys. Here.
And just back here. Yeah.
Where's the net?
Nice, dude.
He's going.
The DNR literally just left.
Ah!
Yeah.
He's trying to go. Dude, I haven't had this in so long.
I don't have a throwable. I have to buy a throwable on the way into town.
I might have to pull anchor, but we'll just.
Is it off the front of the back?
Well, I think. Okay.
You can pull anchor if you want.
Let's not do it right now, but.
Dude, my hair was racing from the canine. Oh.
Yeah, don't try with reel when you're pulling.
Yeah, just let him go.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom wants to see. Hold on. Sean, do you want to pick Nicole up so she can see?
What is it? Oh.
She's on the phone.
Switch it.
Just give it. Yep.
There you go.
Hey yo.
There you go. It's
Yep. Just he's a big one. Yep. He's a big one, so just let him go around the boat.
Why is the screen so small? No, look at this. The camera screen.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, there's something to do there. Look at your phone. Oh, that's good. Okay. Oh, it's FaceTime.
Yeah. Going down.
Don't fall out of the boat.
Yay.
wait till you're able to get them and use the rod to pull up and then reel it. And bring it down.
Perfect timing, Nick.
Yeah, Josh called me, so I was talking to all them for a while, and then the DNR was there, and then we had them text y'all to tell them they were coming your way.
Yeah, they got us. I was sleeping. Well, sunbathing.
I saw him pulling up and I was like,
Sun basking.
I thought it was
yeah, I saw him like that. Either way.
oh my god. I'm not.
No,
my hands down.
she's bracing herself.
Oh, when the DNR showed up at his boat.
Yes, Liner, do you hear us? I know.
Yes, girl.
I'm trying, but he's going.
No, I know.
Like, with this
Are you able to
constant
get any?
tension.
Are you able to pull him up at all? Is there any movement on him?
Okay, it's the one that he's going down. Yeah, but he's really close to the boat, so you don't want to.
And then when he feels like they start to stop running, then just kind of pull up on the rod and then bring the rod down.
Potential spam. I don't know. I haven't heard from Nick. They gotta be up here.
Nick is potential spam.
He might be.
If he's going down, yeah, he's running. Don't,
He's running. Just
so
let
when
him.
he stops running, then try and pull him back up, and then
Yeah,
get a
just
little
let
bit of
him.
ground on him.
Let him go, and then. Yes. Thanks, DNR.
Yeah, thanks for the good
Bob.
luck.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that, Ben.
He's not happy. Oh my God. Oh God.
She's going in.
Yep. Pull him up.
Atta girl.
No, it's okay, honey. Yep, that. It's a big one, honey. It's a big one. Yep. He's just gonna. He's not ready yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. What a beautiful day. Yeah.
Now it is.
It's beautiful.
So did y'all have to bring your rod in when they came up?
No, I was still fishing.
I was sunbasking.
I happened to turn and look, and I saw him cruising right at us. Like, fuck you.
Mandy's like, Auntie, get up. And of course, I didn't have my anything on me, so. You need a break? You're good. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's gonna roll. He's gonna roll. Keep it taut. He's long. Yep. Just keep walking forward. Keep it taut. He's rolling. Yes. Fuck yes. Woo! That's right.
What did it get from the behind?
Coming up a little bit. That's a 50. Nice.
Glass of the big lake boat. Oh, now isn't it?
we got Don and Lauren watching. Buddy Alex is watching. Oop, Nick's in.
You go live on?
Yeah. I don't know if the feed is smooth or not, but it's good. All right, thanks, Alex. Jason's on. Robbie's hooked up.
There it goes.
You're in trouble, Mandy. No. It started, it came up, but we never saw it, and then it just went down. And
I think it's probably low 50s.
he's thinking low 50s. He's an experienced fisherman.
And a pirate.
Wave to everybody. We're on Facebook Live. Oh yeah, just take that drag. Do we need to lift that other anchor?
No. Not if it stays in the middle here. As long as he stays on this side, we're good.
Yeah, well, if he's that big, do you think you're going to be able to stop him if he does?
I have to grab the reel. Put some hand drag on it.
Yeah, well, he's going into the boat now.
I gotta go out with it. My hair. Coming up.
Come on, let's just see a belly or something. Or actually, don't see a belly, because that means he's upside down. We don't want that. We've already had 2 losses on that. Ooh, take that drag. That's on. What happens if I kick it this way? Is that upright or is that right for you guys?
Nice one,
Oh,
Rob.
I can't turn my to live feed. Okay, never mind. Come up. Come on, I just want to take a peek. Give me a tickle.
Here up.
Yeah, my blower bag is going.
Burn it. Really?
Your back's burning?
Yeah. We're gonna do this again?
Let us know if you need help. Or sub out for a second.
You just want me to give it a quick
No. Because if it for some yeah, nice. Rub his back, Jim. Rub
Got
his
it.
back. Because if it's if it happened to be a record, if somebody else helps you, it doesn't count.
It's not a record.
Let them believe, Jim.
I still think it's low 50s. Just I'm gonna a lot of current. I'm gonna say 56 and a half. If he says low, I'm gonna go 56 and a half.
Is he coming up? Ish.
Tails over there.
Yeah. Oh, it's way back
he's
there.
big. He's a big
That's
boy.
A big one, dude.
Oh, look at that.
That's
oh my
a
god.
big one.
That's at least a 60.
50s.
No, it's more than that.
That's
I'm gonna say 63. I'm thinking 63, maybe. Woo!
56 and 3/4.
50, 56 and 3/4. God, look at that hog.
Nice fish, Rob.
We need to be up by
This is pulling good.
our friend.
Josh is hooked up with the big one. Seems bigger than the other one that you had.
This seems much bigger. See on the motor. Hold on to it. That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Because I think his reel has a little bit more drag at the mine.
More flex.
No, it has more drag, like a stronger drag. So,
It's really pulling.
yeah.
How's
Do you
that
need
back
counterweight over there on the boat?
Yeah, that thing just like went boom, boom. Like
Yeah,
it hooked.
of
It hooked
course,
itself.
Josh.
Yeah, it hooked itself.
You know, this is like one of those days, like the one that I had, 3 over 50, and then I had the 66. Josh is just crushing it today. Literally crushing it.
This is sturgeon number 4.
This is a good day for
This
you.
will be his biggest one.
A quad cramp going on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a cramp in the back. I got a cramp in my forearm.
Oh.
Right here's like,
Yeah, it's actually. Oh.
hold on! Holy moly!
Jim, you could be ready with that net this time?
I'm ready. Am I going to be on the right side of things?
I'll move down when he comes up.
Oh, jeez.
You want me to pull the anchor up?
Are we good over there on the anchor, left side?
Or do you want me to hold the camera and you can pull the anchor up?
Shit, that went way over there really quick, didn't it?
Yeah, just put the net down. It's not coming up anytime soon.
Oh my back. Oh, fuck.
Luckily, the anchor's pretty much straight down, but
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you might be alright. Is it pulling, Josh? It's just bouncing
No,
up and down.
from the anchor?
No, it's still sitting out.
You're good.
Hey, watch the thing. Oh, thank you.
Jackery.
hey, Jim, net. You can be there, but the net was up.
Oh, that came up quick.
It's coming up. Let me see ya.
Probably going to come up and go back down.
Jump.
Yay!
Oh yeah, there it is. It's a nice one. That's a 50. For sure.
At least it's a 50.
There you go.
Nice.
God, my forearm.
Great
is
job.
burning.
Nice work.
Burning.
It's not as big as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, but it was. Whew.
It's pretty
Put up
decent.
a fight, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It'll be low 50s. 51,
Hold on the boat.
52 maybe.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy. My back.
There you go.
It's for sure over 50.
I'm going to say 50, 52 and a half.
Right?
Yep.
Nose touching.
I'm gonna say 52.
52.
That was a half inch off.
Nice.
It's not 52 and a half, are you sure?
Yeah.
I haven't seen. Is it a decent one?
We haven't seen it yet.
Fighting pretty
Adam is finally up. Fuck yeah, buddy.
You got that, Rob?
That was good.
Ooh, fucking drag's going out. Ooh, ooh. What time is it? I don't fucking know. Come on, baby. Here, let me get up there.
Whenever you get it up, whether it's this side or
10:50.
that side, I'm going to come behind you on the left so I can get it from the downstream.
Want me to hold that?
Yeah, why don't you? Thank you. I think there's a handle on there. Oh, oh baby. That's a big boy. Nice.
Got him?
Yep.
Yes. Secured. I guess the front seat's still good. That's a big boy. That could be. Is that bigger than Jim's?
It might be. It might be. It looks bigger than mine.
All right. So we're. Well, you're 51, so I'm thinking 53.
A little green.
Damn, he is squirmy. Oh, nah, he might be short. I don't know. I think I got some false numbers there. Might be short.
There it is right there.
52 and a quarter.
Oh, Jimmy got beat.
Hey, baby.
Ready,
Oop, oh.
He's feisty. He's really muscly and very feisty.
All right, hold on. I gotta kill the live feed. He's pulling you guys. He's pulling you away. He's pulling away.
It's a big one.
I don't want to lock it up though.
I'll just let him go for now. I mean, you have plenty of line on your.
Hopefully. I don't have a lot.
You're good. You got plenty. You're good.
Ooh. Oh, stay on the. Moving. He's moving. He's moving quick.
It's coming at
I
you.
don't know where he's at though. He's getting close to the boat here. Somewhere. But I think he's still in the back though. Ooh, he's heavy. He is keeping it down. Oh.
Those are good poles.
Yeah.
Those are big poles. Wasn't I literally just saying we need to get that 60 and then boom?
Show me.
Is that too tight?
No, I don't think so. He's just not pulling enough.
He might take off when he
Right
comes
under
up.
it, too, so it might be different. Let me see.
Still want something that's going
I'm not trying to pull too hard,
Yeah.
but. Oh. Now he's going down. Shark bait, hoo-ha. Oh.
Holy crap.
Come on. No, don't take more.
Holy man. There it goes. Yeah, that's a good one, right? Josh, you just beat my best day of sturgeon fishing.
Assuming I get it to the boat. Always come back.
Because he's.
Come on.
Because based on the other ones, you horsed in pretty quick, even your 52. This is giving
You can tell that the poles are a big tail kick, and it just dragging out line like that. That's.
You shift up to the right
No,
again.
you're good.
Stay away from the motor.
He's coming. Slowly. No. You don't like that.
There it goes.
Oh. Gotta prop myself up. My back's hurting.
What time is it?
So, 11, 12.
11, 12?
It's the left side.
Left side?
Yeah.
Seriously, we're catching fish like every 15, 20 minutes right now. It's crazy.
He's going upstream. big fish when he's just like, yeah, I'm gonna go upstream and
Yeah.
drag.
That's a big one. This is in the 60s. It has to be.
Oh my god, my fucking arm is cramping.
Your arm?
My, because I'm locked.
That was good. That was good for the video. My arm is locked. Yeah.
Oh, don't go that way.
It's going under the boat.
No.
Shit.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Watch out, Rob. Watch. Yep. Good job, Josh.
Good job.
Up and over the light like a champ.
Under the motor, over the
Yeah. Yeah, the motor too, swinging around like that.
Taking it. Who's watching?
There's two. I don't know. There's two people watching.
It's late.
You just click on it.
Usually it tells you who joins.
Nick Junt.
Nick Junt.
Whenever he's ready, I'm gonna come to the right of you.
Watch the light and that battery, the jackery.
Yeah.
As long as we can net it, we can move it to the other side. He's coming up. A little bit. A little bit. Oh, come on. Don't be that way. You need like a harness.
Yeah.
No. Come on. I'm gonna have to take a break.
That is a good fish. Are you tightening it?
No, I'm loosening it. Just a little bit.
Too much. It's the end of the world.
No. Can't tell if I'm gaining or losing.
It's kind of just been a little bit of a stalemate here. If you kind of reel in 50 inches, he takes off 50 inches.
How's that feel, Josh?
It burns.
Your back or?
My back's okay because I'm leaning backwards, so it's my. He's coming up a little bit. Nope. Damn. It's weird. You feel like you're pulling them, and then they're just like, nope. Nope.
It's awful reminiscent to my 64.
Hold on. This jacket's gotta come off. Come on.
Yeah, let's get a mid 60 here. Jacket's coming off, huh?
I'm burning up. Oh. Alright, thank you. Oh. Oh. I just want to see the side of it.
Yeah. It's gonna come up and we're all gonna go, holy.
It better not be some fucking 50-inch that's somehow...
No.
Bulldogging you.
No, we've caught many 50s today. This is much bigger than that.
This reminds me of that really fat one you caught a few years ago, the 59-27.
It's coming up. It's coming up quick.
Or 60-26 or whatever it
Oh.
was.
Okay, moving back on the current.
Oh, he's fun.
Now he's drifting.
He's coming.
Oh, yeah.
We got that white there.
No, I don't want him to be on the surface. He went back down. He's coming back up. Nope. He's taking it. Nope, he's taking it. He's going back down.
Big one.
His head was big.
I couldn't really tell because I was looking at the phone. Was it pretty dang big?
It's gonna be. It's the biggest fish of the.
Okay.
Yeah, you're in for some money, Josh. And if we would have done total inches, you would be for a lot of money.
It's coming.
Nope.
No, he's
I
gone.
gained it and he just took it right back. He's coming. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, it's right there.
There, holy shnikes. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god. That
Hold on for me.
is enormous.
It's a fat one.
Dude.
Oh my god, my arm is burning.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Joe.
What a pig that is.
That is big.
Josh, you may have just beat my biggest fish right there.
I beat my own, for sure.
Oh, wow. Oh, here we go.
Moment of truth here.
65-27. I'm calling it. Oh, yeah. Now we're really using the board.
Yep. You ready? Make sure you document this. All right, hold on.
Oh, my God. It's
All right, I'm on the nose.
Yep.
63 and a half.
Yes!
63 and a half.
Then we gotta get the girth.
27?
28. 26 and a half. 26 and a half.
That's pretty close.
I don't want to hold my 60.
I will, as well.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, he's sitting. Yes.
That's awesome.
Oh my god, this thing's heavy.
Nice job, dude.
Ah, wow.
Look at that snot bubble coming off.
Oh,
Dude, well done. That's great.
I'm gonna take like a 20-minute break.
Yeah, would you? And let other people catch fish.
Yep, pull it. Shit.
Put your rod tip down. Okay.
Oh, we're good. Sorry, guys, he was running up there. He's rolling.
I think your next investment should be a medium heavier rod.
Just still running.
Waited 3 long days for this.
Rolling.
Good job. Yeah. Look at that.
It's like a 50 something.
No. going to toast to Jim.
In American freedom.
I was just putting like pressure.